Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to discuss the simplification of integers. Children, most of you are confused in solving the integer problems, means plus and minus combination problems, right? So watch the video till the end. You'll definitely solve even the lengthy simplification. Chalo, let us start then. So children, any simplification will have some rules, right? So here we follow some rules before starting the problems. Okay. So let us start the rules. What are the rules when there are same symbols, when there are different symbols and multiplication of the symbols. Okay. So here is your first rule. Same symbols add. Means when there are same symbols, you should add them. Okay. And put the same symbol for the result. Clear? This is your first rule. This is very, very important. Listen to the rules carefully. If you are perfect with the rules, then you can solve any type of simplification. This is my guarantee. Okay. So same symbols add. Okay. So you should know this. Same symbols friend is addition. Okay. Remember in this way, same symbols addition, same symbols friend is addition. Okay. So after adding, you should put the same symbol for the result. Okay. So let me give the example. Okay. So 9 plus 7. Here I gave 9 plus 7. And here one more example I gave minus 6 minus 3. Okay. So let me solve this. See here, if you observe carefully, this 9 and this 7 are having both same symbols. Okay. Now you can ask me the question. Here 7 is having the symbol. Symbol means always the number should have before it. Okay. Some of you may be confused, like suppose I wrote 9 minus 7. If I ask what is the symbol for 9, some of you will tell it is minus. But it is wrong. Okay. Always the number before symbol is its your own symbol. Okay. So here before 9 there is no symbol. Means there is plus symbol. If a number is having no symbol, then it is under plus. Okay. Here 7 before symbol is 7 before symbol is plus. So 7 is also having plus symbol. Okay. Now next let us get the clarity of this problem also. Here 6 is having minus symbol before it. So 6 symbol is minus. So we'll call it as minus 6. Okay. Even 3 is having minus symbol here before it. So 3 symbol is also minus. So we'll read the question as minus 6 minus 3. Okay. So here our rule is same symbols friend is addition. Okay. First we'll do addition even if it is for minus or even if it is for plus. Okay. So 9 plus 7 means both are having plus symbol. So both are having plus symbol means we should add, right? Because same symbols friend is addition. So add them. 9 plus 7 is 16. Okay. Okay, we done with the addition. Now what we should do? We should put the same symbol for the result, right? So for the result also we should give the same symbol. Here both are having the same symbol plus. So plus will be given to the 16 number. Okay, your result 16 will be given plus symbol only. Now only we gave a clarity that if a number is not having any symbol before it, then it is under plus only, right? So if I write plus 16 or if I write only 16, it is under addition only. It is under plus only. Okay. If I write plus 16 or if I write like 16, it is plus 16 only. Okay. Now let us go to this problem. Minus 6 minus 3. Okay. Here both are under plus minus symbol. Right. Both are having same symbol. Okay. One thing you should see here, same symbol. Same symbol, what you should do? Addition. Okay. So forget about the symbols now. Let us add 6 plus 3. It is 9. Okay. What is 6 plus 3? 9. Now after doing the addition, what we should do? We should put the same symbol for the result, right? Okay. So both are having minus symbol. So put minus symbol for the result. So it is minus 9. Okay. Clear? Understood? The only thing you should do is whenever there are same symbols, then you should add it. Okay. After addition only, you see the same symbol, whatever is the result. Okay, let me explain it again. Here both 9 and 7 are having plus symbol, both are in plus only. So I am adding them and I am giving the same symbol to the result. If it is in plus, no need to give the symbol because any number without symbol is plus only. Okay, here minus 6 minus 3 both are having same symbol. Same symbol means we should add first. So I have added 6 plus 3 is 9. Then I should give the same symbol for the result. As both are having minus symbol, you should give minus symbol only. Understood? So let us take one more rule. This is your first rule. Let us go to the next rule. Here is the next rule. Different symbols subtract. Okay. Just now we discussed when same symbols are there, we have added, right? We added. Now different symbols, it is opposite to this one. So different symbols we should subtract. Okay. So same symbols friend is addition. Different symbols friend is subtraction. Okay. So now we will do subtraction. Okay. Now what about the symbol then? You should put the big number symbol for the result. Means in our problem, whatever symbol is there for the big number, that symbol should be given to the solution. Clear? So let me take the example. Here are two example problems. Here, first question you have minus 7 plus 2. Right? Minus 7 plus 2. Now, see the question properly. Here, 7 is having minus symbol because we should see the before symbol. Okay, 7 number is having minus symbol and number 2 is having plus symbol. Okay, means both are different symbols. So, who is the friend of different symbols? It is subtraction. Okay, so we will do subtraction first. Okay, so let me take minus 7 plus 2. I'll do the subtraction. 7 minus 2 is 5. Right? Okay, I did the subtraction. Now, what is our next step? We should put the big number symbol for the result. Whenever you are doing subtraction, you should give the big number symbol only. Okay, so who is a big number here? 7 is a big number, right? So you should give 7 number symbol to the solution. So here 7 number symbol is minus. So minus should be given to the result. Clear? So your answer is minus 5. Okay, simple. Don't confuse here. First, whenever there are different symbols, do the subtraction. So 7 minus 2, I got 5. I finished with this. Now the symbol should be given whatever the big number symbol is having, right? So the big number is 7. It is having minus symbol. So give minus to the answer. Clear? So let us go to this example. 3 minus 9. Okay, here 3 is having plus symbol. No symbol means plus only, right? So 3 is having plus symbol and 9 is having minus symbol. Both are different symbols. When there are different symbols, you should do subtraction, right? Let me take that one. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, subtract small number from big number. Whatever the arrangement is there, first do subtraction from the big number, you subtract the small number. Okay, I subtracted, I got 6. Okay, now what is our next step? We should give big number symbol now. So here out of these two, the big number is 9. 9 is having minus symbol. So you should give minus to this answer. Okay, so your answer will be minus 6. Okay, so this is very, very important. Please don't do mistake in these two rules. First rule is add when the same symbols are there and put the same symbol. Same. Remember like this. Same symbols add and put same symbol. Different symbols subtract, put big number symbol. Understood? These two rules are very, very important. Here is your third rule. These are also very, very important. Plus into plus is plus. Okay, whenever there is brackets in between the problem, suppose I gave the question like this, 3 minus of minus 5. Okay, suppose I gave the question in this way. Okay, here 5 is having this minus symbol and this minus 5 again it is having minus symbol before it, right? When there are two symbols for the question, then we should take these formulas. Okay, so for that purpose I gave this rule also. So please go through this rule also. Simple. Plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus. Simple. when same symbols are multiplied, means when there is multiplication between the same symbols, then your answer is plus only. Okay, here the same symbols are there, so they will be plus. Okay, I gave the reason here. Same symbols multiplication gives plus. Okay, now we'll go to the different symbols. Now different symbols, here I took plus and here I took minus. Here these two are different, right? One is plus, one is minus, and they means they are different. So different symbols will give you minus. Okay, so if you take plus into minus, or if you take minus into plus, it gives minus only. Okay, I gave the reason here. Different symbols multiplication gives minus. Okay, same thing you should remember here. Very important thing. The same symbols multiplication gives plus. Okay, whenever plus into plus, you should get plus only. Minus into minus means you should get plus only. Okay, different symbols multiplication gives minus. Okay, so these three rules are very important. Let me recall all these three rules again. First rule is same symbols you should do addition and put same symbol. Next rule is different symbol subtraction, put big number symbol. Okay, now our third rule is whenever there are two symbols with brackets in between them, you should follow this. Same symbols multiplication gives plus, different symbols multiplication gives minus. Okay, now let us start with the problems. We'll apply these three rules to the problems and we'll simplify it. Here I gave some examples. So let us go to the first example. 6 plus of minus 3. Okay, you should read the question in this way. 6 plus, whenever there is bracket, you should read it as of, because of means brackets. Okay, so 6 plus of minus 3. Of means brackets and it is under multiplication. 6 plus of minus 3. Okay, now before solving this, we'll take the formula of this one. Our rules are there, right? Whenever there is bracket in between two symbols, you have some rule, right? So let me take that rule. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus, because these two are different. So who is a friend of different symbols? It is minus. Okay, so you should remove this bracket and instead of these two symbols, you should write this minus symbol. Okay, so 6 minus 3. Simple thing. Whenever there is bracket in between two symbols, they are under multiplication. So multiplication of symbols is given like this. When two different symbols are multiplied, your answer is minus. So you should put minus in between them. Okay, so now 6 minus 3. Okay, both are different. So you should do subtraction. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, now after solving the integers problems, you should see whether the big number symbol, whenever they are under subtraction, you should give the big number symbol. So here big number is 6. If no symbol means it is under plus. So answer will also have plus symbol. So we already discussed plus symbol means no need to give the symbol. So the answer is plus 3. Okay. So let me take the next question. Minus 5 plus of minus 4. Okay. Again I am reading. See here. Minus 5 plus of minus 4. Okay. So here our brackets between the symbols, we have the brackets in between the symbols. So whenever we have brackets between the symbol, we should follow the rule, that is plus into minus is minus. Here plus is there and between in bracket means it is into. So plus into minus is minus, because who is the friend of different symbols? Minus. Okay. So I'll remove the symbol minus 5 minus 4. I'll remove these two symbols and bracket. So by removing you'll get minus. So you should put minus. Now if you observe carefully, 5 is having minus symbol as well as 4 is having minus symbol. Right? Both are having same symbols. So same symbols friend is, who is a friend of same symbols? It is, you should add it. Addition is the same symbols friend, right? So you should add when there are same symbols. So 5 plus 4 is 9. First we'll add it. Forget about the symbol first. First you add it whenever there are same symbols. 9. Okay, I got 9. Now what symbol we should put whenever you are adding? You should put same symbol. Just now we discussed who is a friend of same. Same means same only. Okay, same symbols, same symbol to the answer. Okay, so both are having minus symbol, so you should put minus symbol to the answer. Okay, so you'll get minus 9. Clear? So let us take some more examples. Here is your third example, minus 2 minus of 3. Okay, so minus 2 minus of 3. So you may ask me one question that here no symbol is there, then why to put the brackets? Okay, sometimes to confuse you people, they will give minus without any symbol also, they'll give the number in brackets. Okay, so but we know that if a number is not having any symbol, means it is in plus, right? Okay, means here we have minus and it is only 3, means it is plus 3. Clear? So if the number is not having any symbol before it, it is in plus. So minus of plus. So minus of plus, we have one rule, right? Minus into plus is minus. Okay, remove the brackets and write without the brackets. The very first step you should do is removal of brackets. Okay, so let me remove the bracket. Minus 2 minus 3, because I multiplied the symbols, I got minus, so I put minus in between them. Okay, now our next rule is whenever there are same symbols, you should add it. Okay, same symbols addition, right? So when you add 3 and 2, you'll get 5. Okay, whenever you are adding, the answer should be given the same symbol, right? Because same symbols, same symbol. Same. You should remember in this way. Same symbols, answer same symbol. Okay, so both are having minus symbol. So you should give minus symbol to the answer. It is minus 5. Clear? Let us go to the next example now. 8 minus of minus 4. Okay, here we have brackets. So minus of minus means plus, because both are same symbols. Same symbols multiplication gives plus, right? Same symbols multiplication gives plus. Okay, so let me remove the brackets. In the very first step, you should remove the brackets, right? So 8 plus 4, because minus into minus is plus. You should be perfect with the rules. Then you can easily solve this integers problems. Okay. Now 8 plus 4, both are under addition, both are under plus symbol only. So 8 is not having any symbol, means it is having plus symbol. 4 is having plus symbol, both are plus, means you should do addition. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, both are having same symbol. So answer will be given same symbol. So both are plus, your answer will be also plus symbol only. Okay, so let me take the next example. Minus 3 minus of minus 5. Okay, again you have brackets here. So minus of minus means both are same symbols. So same symbols multiplication will give you plus. One thing you should remember, different symbols multiplication minus, same symbols multiplication is plus. Okay, the first step you should do is removal of brackets. So minus 3 minus into minus is plus 5. Okay, so here if you observe, both the numbers are having different symbols. So who is the friend of different symbols? It is subtraction. Okay, so let me do the subtraction first. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, whenever you are doing, you should give the big number symbol. So who is the big number here? 5. So 5 is having plus, so your answer will be plus 2. Okay, so your answer is plus 2. No need to give the plus symbol if it is plus. Okay, so your answer is 2. Okay, let me give the next examples. Here is the next example. 6 minus of minus 2 minus 6 minus of minus 5. Okay, here I took 4 different terms. Okay, 4 term problem. Okay, here one thing you should remember, whenever there is bracket in between the symbols, you should use the rule that is minus into minus is plus. Okay, here we have only minus into minus, here also minus into minus, so I am using this rule. So what is minus into minus? It is plus. Okay, this one you should remember this rule. While removing the brackets, your rule is this one. And one more thing, whenever you are simplifying this integers problem, you should simplify it in 4 steps. At the fourth step, your answer should be finished. Okay. So what are these 4 steps? Means in the first step you should remove the brackets. Okay. First step, there should be removal of brackets. In the next step you should write same terms together. Same terms means same symbol terms. Okay. You should write same symbol terms together. In the next step you will get, right, after simplification of the same symbol terms, you will get one step, that is your third step. In the fourth step, you should do the simplification of this one. Okay. So this is how will be explained in this example. See, simple. So 6 will be written as 6 only. Here minus into minus is plus, and here minus 6 I have written as it is, and here minus into minus is plus. Okay. Here we remove the brackets, right? So first step is finished. Okay. Now in the next step, what we should do? Same symbol terms should be placed together, right? So who are same symbols here? This 6 is having plus symbol, 2 is having plus symbol, and 5 is having plus symbol. So these 3 are friends, and let them sit together. So 6 plus 2 plus 5, and here minus 6 is different, so I place it at the last. Okay. Now I have written in this way, finished. Now what you should do? Why I place them like this? Because we can easily do the simplification. Why? Because here same symbols means we should do addition. Okay. We can easily do the addition when there are same symbols. Okay. Instead of identifying from here and somewhere here and somewhere here, it is easy if you write like this together, right? So I have written in this way. So we know that same symbols you should do addition. So let me add these 3, and I'll write this minus 6 as it is. Okay. So I'll get 13 minus 6. And one thing what you should remember, whenever you're adding, you should put the same symbol to the answer. As these 3 are having plus, your 13 will be also in plus only. So 13 minus 6. Now our next step is different symbols. You should do subtraction. Okay. These 2 are different symbols. So you should do subtraction here. So 13 minus 6 you'll get 7. Okay. And you should remember one thing. The answer should be given the big number symbol. Why? Because here we are subtracting. Whenever you are subtracting, you should give the big number symbol to the answer. Here 13 is having plus symbol. So your answer will be plus 7. And we already know that plus means no need to give the symbol. Clear? So let me take the next example. Minus 7, minus of minus 1, plus of minus 5, and plus 8. Okay. So here the first thing is we should remove the brackets. Okay. Here minus into minus is there and plus into minus is there. So let me take the 2 rules. So minus into minus is plus. We know that because same symbols multiplication is plus and different symbols multiplication is minus. Okay. Let me remove the brackets and put these answers. Minus 7. Minus into minus is plus 1. Plus into minus is minus 5 plus 8. Okay. Our removal of bracket step is finished. Now next step is putting the same symbols together. Okay. So here 7 is having minus and 5 is having minus. Okay. These 2 are same symbols, and here 1 is having plus and 8 is having plus. So these 2 are friends. Now let us place these 2 friends together, these 2 pairs together. So here you may be confused sometimes whether to write minus terms first or plus terms first. It is your wish. You can write minus terms first or plus terms first. Okay. So let me write minus here. It is your wish. You can take plus terms, these 2 at the first and these 2 at the last also. So here minus 7 minus 5 plus 1 plus 8. Now I can separate them and I can add, because we know that same symbols you should do addition. Okay. So now 7 plus 5 is 12, and whenever you are adding, you should give the same symbol to the answer, right? Both are having minus symbol, so my answer will have minus. And here 8 plus 1 is 9, so write 9, and both are having plus, so you should put plus. Okay. So my step will be minus 12 plus 9. Now if you observe carefully here both are having different symbols. So whenever different symbols are there, you should do subtraction. Okay. So let me do the subtraction. It is 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. And here whenever you are doing subtraction, you should give big number symbol to the answer, right? So minus is the big number symbol. So your answer will be minus 3. Clear? In this way, if you do in 4 steps, your answer will be finished. So first step, you should remove the brackets. Next, placing or putting the same terms, same symbol terms together and solving them. At last, if they are under plus, you should do addition. If they are under minus, you should do subtraction. Okay? So let us take some more examples. Here is the next example. 9 plus of minus 2 plus 6 minus of plus 3 minus 5. Okay. Here I have taken one more term here. So no need. Even if there are 2 more, 3 more, 5 more terms also, your solution should be finished in 4 steps. Okay. So what is our first step? We should remove the brackets. Right. So let us take the rule here, plus into minus and minus into plus here. So we are plus into minus or minus into plus is minus only. So by removing the brackets, we'll apply the rule here. So 9 minus 2, here minus 2 plus 6, I have written plus 6. Now minus into plus is minus 3 and minus 5. Okay. So first step, removal of brackets is finished. Now in the next step, we should write same symbols terms together, right? So here 9 and 6 are having plus symbols. So let me write these two together and these three together. Okay. You can write minus terms at the first or plus terms at the first. It is your wish. Here I am writing plus terms together. You can write these three at the first and these two at the last also. Okay. So after arranging them, what you should do? Same symbols addition, right? So I have given the reason here. Follow these rules. Follow these reasons also. Same symbols you should do addition. Okay. So here these two are same symbols. Let me do addition and put same symbol to the answer. Here these three are same symbols. So do addition and put the same symbol. Okay. So 9 plus 6 is 15 and 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10. Okay. So here these two are plus symbol. So I gave answer also plus symbol. These three are minus symbol. So I gave answer minus symbol. Okay. Now here these two are the subtraction because these two are different symbols now. So these two symbols, different symbols, we should do subtraction. Whenever you are doing subtraction, you should give the answer big number symbol. Okay. So you should remember that answer should be given the big number symbol. So 15 minus 10 is 5. Here 15 is a big number. So it is having plus symbol. So your answer will be in plus. Okay. So let me take one more question. 8 plus of minus 3 minus 7 minus of minus 1 plus 5. Okay. So here the first step is to remove the brackets. So for removal of the brackets, you have one rule, that is plus into minus or minus into minus. You should do it. Okay. So let me write the two formulas. Minus into minus is plus and plus into minus is minus. Okay. So first step we'll remove the brackets. So we'll get 8 minus 3 and minus 7. Minus into minus is plus 1 and here plus 5 I have taken. So plus 5. First step is finished. Now next step is putting the same symbol terms together, right? So here 8, 1 and 3 are 8, 1 and 5 are having same symbols plus, and 3 and 7 are having minus symbols. So let me write the plus symbols first and minus symbol at the last. You can write these two at the first also, as I already told you. Okay. Now why I am writing the same symbols together? Because it is easy to add. Okay. Because our reason is same symbols we should do addition. Okay. Add these three and put the same symbol means addition plus symbol, and add these two and put the same symbol means minus symbol. So when you add these three, 8 plus 5 plus 1, you will get 14. So it is plus 14. And when you add these two, so 7 plus 3 is 10. It is minus 10 because these two are having minus symbol. Okay. So 14 minus 10. Now these two are having different symbols. Whenever different symbols, you should do subtraction and you should give big number symbol to the result, right? So 14 minus 10 is 4 and your big number is 14. So here 4 will be also in, big number is 14, it is in plus. So your 4 will be also in plus. Okay. So this is how you should simplify the integers without any confusion. Okay. Don't confuse. Just follow these three rules. Same symbols you should add and put same symbol to the answer. Different symbols you should do subtraction and big number symbol to the answer. And whenever there is brackets in between two symbols, you should write the respective symbol to the answer and finish the problem in 4 steps. Okay, first step is removal of brackets. Next step, placing together, writing the same symbol terms together and solving it. Then solve this step if there is two different symbols. If there are same symbols, means suppose here I am having all of them in plus only, 15 plus 10, then you can directly finish the step here only. See here, suppose I am having all plus. Okay, this will be, I will be explaining in the next slide. Here is the next example. 9 minus of minus 4 plus 5 minus of minus 1 plus 2. Okay, so our first step is we should remove the brackets, right? Here we have minus into minus. Here also we have minus into minus. So let me take the rule. Minus into minus is plus. Okay, now I will write 9 as it is 9 and it will be plus 4 because minus into minus is plus, and this will be as it is written, and here minus into minus means plus 1, here plus 2. Okay, if you observe here, all of the terms are in plus only. All the numbers are in plus. So no need to group them, no need to separate them as the symbols. Okay, so here all of them are plus. So directly we can do addition because same symbols should be added. Okay, so when you add it, you will get 21 and everything is having plus symbol. So the answer will be in plus. Okay, if all the terms are in minus, you will get minus as your answer. Okay, I hope you got clarity how to simplify the integer problems. If there is plus in between, minus, brackets, whatever it is, you should follow the 3 rules whatever I gave at the start. Okay, thank you so much for listening to this video.